watching me.
Die!
Oh, I'm a gummy bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a yummy, yummy, funny, lucky gummy bear. I'm a jelly bear. Yes, I'm a gummy.
Hello?
What you doing?
Nothing. What about you?
Man, I'm just chilling at Carl's Jr., man.
Oh, me too.
I can't see you, man.
You ready to roll out?
Let's roll.
Let's go.
She ain't convinced more.
You already know, let's go.
Ain't shit changed. I be on my sidekick every day. We should never know. We should aim. You cute, girl. What you expect for me to say? I hit her up like, what you doing today? She ain't hit me back. She put her way up in my face. That's me and you rude. But that's why you still got a sidekick too. Now I'm on to the next chick. Trying to find the cutest girl on my aim list. You buy me Pete though, my aim's famous. My sidekick pre-pages, aim it. Talking to girls that don't speak my language. Out of all her icons, mine's her favorite. Hey, and she'd never ignore me. If I ain't your girlfriend, I bet she score me. Hey, you trying to kick it? Maybe. What you mean? Keep down. Aim me. Wait, how you getting home? Aim me. I don't talk on the phone, just aim me. Aim me.
It's your boy Jesse, you know what I'm saying? You can't look at my nipples. They hard right now. Alright, shout outs. Most hated tattoos. You already know. My boy Jeremy, Big Bird cameraman. All SS Jerks. We're talking all SS Jerks. Get shout out to Lisa Marie up in Lemoore. Any more? Pass it on.
It's your boy Lil Cheeto, aka Count Dracula. I'd like to give shout outs to my girl. I'd like to give shout outs to my girl Melissa. Tattooings. I got my tattoos just not too long ago.
Nice.
And all them jerking crews out there, I'd like to give a shout out to Sage, recently passed away. And that's pretty much it.
Yo, on the beat.
Yes, sir. I mean, I'm feeling kind of tight right now, baby.
One second girl all on me. Now she looking like she wanna jerk with me. Hey, she flirt with me. I bet you want flirt with you. Yeah, I'm so turned. Spit heat up in the booth, now the speakers burn. Put me to the wall and she just twerk. I ain't talking no job and she go to work. Pin drop, let the crowd go crazy. Swag so dope, now the 80s, baby. And she just kill. You think she won't, but I bet she will. Hey, and she know my name. Looking at me like, boy, you know you hold my name, and I can't have that. Whoa, 1 second girl all on me. Now she looking like she wanna jerk with me. Hey, I can't pass that up. But that girl there, man, she's so turned up.
Listen up, and you know what makes the crowd jump. Hanging over stadium, make the music bump. Hanging on so high, I'm untouchable. Yeah, your girl love me, yeah, my boy incredible. Yeah, I'm up in the function. Your girl is on us, her name is Suction. Haters don't fake me, man, it's nothing. We make the crowd jump while you fucking yeah, man, I'm two-tone. My swag so high, I'm getting burnt. Check my steeds, my chain so cold, make the city freeze. I'm first like a breeze, thinking no one getting feed. Why you trying to copy, you just look sloppy. All these girls on me like these. Fresh kicks, fresh bean, that fresh bean.
Hey, 1 second girl on me. Now she looking like she wanna jerk with me. Hey.
Hey!
Come on, guys. You did it.
Hey! Hey! Hey, Jesse.
I have a message for you from
Collision on
Chowder.
the beat. What's that move? What's that move? What's that move? What's that move? Bust that move, she a banger, ayy, make a nigga wanna bang her, ayy, she on that pole, though, got a nigga like, whoa, though, everybody know I go hard, y'all are close, so I am far, everybody know I got bars, y'all got some, but I got more, we go chain on my chest like damn, but it say damn, this dude go ham, whoa, I know I'm the man, not being cocky, but just as my fans, yeah. You might not believe this, you're from Europe, that overseas ish. Your girlfriend really likes me, but I don't think you need a wife me. What's that move? What's that move? What's that move? What's that move? Yes, I'm a beast, so I ain't gotta talk, I let it down to the waist. Damn, she got a dunk, yellow bone in the morning is all a nigga want. Everybody know my swag too official, flowing like a river, I'm a ship shoot missile. Everybody know I am on, not in the circus, but I am in the cloud. Nothing shades on, got me feeling like a school. Skis got a sag, girl, you looking like a fool. I got a wetter than a goddamn pool. I got a wetter than a goddamn pool. Yeah, you might not believe this, we're from Europe, that overseas ish. Your girlfriend really likes me, but I don't think I need a wife. What's that move? What's that move? What's that move? What's that move? Bitch, I got the bottles, back to bite them. Hey, hold up. Bust that move, alright? What's that move? What's that move? What's that move? What's that move? This is how you get wet. I'm a jerk? Damn, I didn't know that.
Count Dracula. I'd like to give shout outs to Creative Kids, Most Hated Tattooing, our sponsorship. That's it.
Your boy Mrs. Snuffleupagus. Shout outs to Most Hated Tattooing, my mom and my dad.
New member.
New member. Big Bird. Shout out to mom's dad. SF Shirts.
What's up? It's your boy Cookie Monster, you know what I'm saying? You seen our new member, Big Bird, you know, he's an old ass nigga. He needs to get into this shit, you know, because I got into it, you know. But we gonna get off. Shout outs, my mom, pops, Most Hated Tattoos. Co-worker over there at McDonald's, Erica. What else? To all my fans, you know, send us emails, just send us a friend request, just do what you gotta do. But we out.